Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel ZTC. In today's digital age, securing personal information is of utmost importance. Especially when it comes to crucial government documents like the Aadhaar card. The Aadhaar card not only serves as proof of citizenship but also links biometric data, making it a prime target for online scams. In this video, we'll discuss the significance of biometric security, recent incidents, and the steps to lock your Aadhaar biometric data to safeguard against potential threats. Now, let's get started with the biometric security importance. When it comes to safeguarding our identity, biometric security plays a pivotal role. Biometrics, including iris scans, fingerprints, and face impressions, are unique physical or behavioral characteristics that enhance the security of personal information. In the context of Aadhaar in India, biometric data is intricately linked to the Aadhaar card, making it a critical element in establishing one's identity and accessing various services. Can hackers fool your fingerprint, iris, or face? Yes, they can. Let's discuss the uncovering the vulnerabilities and how India is fighting back. First, the case of the clever clay. Thieves in Madhya Pradesh used clay molds of fingerprints to bypass ATM security. This exposed the vulnerability of older fingerprint scanners and led to upgrades in authentication protocols. And finally, the facial forgery fiasco deepfake case. This was a real-world incident where a manipulated video of actress went viral online, causing distress and raising concerns about privacy and identity theft. So you add an extra layer of protection to your identity, reducing the risk of falling victim to Aadhaar scams. According to UIDAI, the biometric locking or unlocking service allows Aadhaar holders to secure their biometrics temporarily. This service aims to enhance the privacy and confidentiality of residents' biometric data, preventing unauthorized access and potential misuse. How to lock your Aadhaar biometric data? Visit the official UIDAI website, uidai.gov.in, navigate to the My Aadhaar menu and locate Aadhaar Services. Under Aadhaar Services, find the option Lock/Unlock Biometrics and click on it. Enter your 12-digit Aadhaar number and the security code. Receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP to verify your identity. Choose the Lock option to secure your biometric data. As we wrap up today's discussion on securing your digital identity through Aadhaar biometric locking, remember, it's not just about protecting yourself, it's about creating a safer digital space for everyone. By taking these simple steps to lock your Aadhaar biometric data, you're adding an extra layer of protection to your identity. Share this valuable information with your friends, family, and anyone you care about. Remember, your digital security matters, and by staying informed, you're not just safeguarding your identity but actively participating in building a secure online community. So, stay informed, stay secure, and let's work together to make the digital world a safer place for everyone. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, stay safe online.